Hello, first standard. This is your chapter number 2, my body parts. Today we will learn about our body parts, and we have some organs. So here are some organs given to you: eyes, ears, nose, hair, skin, and hand and tongue. So do you know we have so many body parts and it works different way, and we have some body parts in pair and some in are single. For example, eyes single, eyes pair, ears in pair, hands in pair, toes and fingers, nose single, tongue single, legs in pair and knees in pair. Like that we have 2 feet, 2 thigh, 2 ankles. These all body parts we have in pair. So here are mentioned some body parts. They are eyebrow. This body part is known as a eyebrow. Then our eyes. We have how many eyes? We have 2 eyes. Nose. How many nose we have? We have 1 nose. Then ears. We have 2 ears. Then teeth. Do you know where is our teeth? Our teeth are in our mouth. These are. And we have so many teeth. Neck. So this portion is known as our neck, and our head is rest on our neck. What is this? This is chest. Then stomach. This part of our body is known as stomach. Then this part of our hand is known as a thumb. Then these 4 are fingers. This portion of our leg is known as a knee, KNEE, and this part of our leg is known as ankles. These are toes. Now what is this? This is our hair. This part of our body is known as a forehead, FOREHEAD, forehead. And what is this? This is mouth. What is this? This is tongue, TONGUE, tongue. And then what is this? These 2 body shoulders. Then this part of our hand is known as a elbow. This part is known as a wrist. On this part we wear a watch, hand watch. Is it? Now what is this? It is hand. Now what is this? Below part of our stomach and upper part of our leg is known as a thigh. And what are these? These are foot. So these all body parts have different work, and they are perform their activities different ways, but they are doing this activity together through our body parts. Is it so? So shall we start? Our body parts. Our body is made up of different parts. हमारा जो बॉडी है वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स से बना हुआ है. कई पार्ट्स 2 हिस्सों में हैं, सम आर सिंगल, कुछ सिंगल हैं. ईच पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी हैज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल टू प्ले. डू यू नो all the parts of our body works together, and their work is very important to us. For if we do not have eyes, how can you see this world? We have 2 eyes, and we use our eyes to see the world. We have 2 ears. Our ears help us to hear the music or voice. And do you know why do we have teeth? We chew our food with our teeth, and our food makes soft through our tongue or saliva. Is it? हमारे मुंह, टीथ और टंग का क्या यूज है? टू chew our food and make it soft and swallow through our neck. Okay, and it reaches to the stomach. यहाँ से होते हुए फूड कहाँ जाएगा? स्टमक में. Now what is the use of our hands? So our hand help us in writing, clapping, holding things. Is it? Like that way our legs help us to run, to walk, to bend, to squat. This way our legs help us to walk or run. Is it so? So today we will learn till here. We will do our next session in next video. Have a nice day.